Today we will be focusing on the synopsis of the poem Animals, written by Walt Whitman. In this poem, the poet is comparing the behavior of animals with that of humans. He is admiring animals for being better than humans. He is appreciating some qualities of animals which humans don't have. The poet is suggesting his point of view that he wants to live with animals because they are calm and self-sufficient. They are not obsessed with materialistic things. They are always in a satisfied state with what they have and do their duty towards God. They always show love and respect for everyone and not individually to their 1,000-old descendants, and also does not weep like humans. Whereas humans are always busy to possess material things, they cry for wrong deeds they had committed and ends up losing their temper. But animals are always happy. They do not separate their time for discussing their duties to God. The poet also highlights some qualities which are lacking in humans, like kindness, patience, honesty, love, selflessness, etc. But these are possessed by animals. Thus, we can say that the poet is willing to learn from the animals and at the same time experience happiness, which is very hard to find in the human world. Thus, we can say that here the poet is willing to highlight the flaws of humans by creating a comparison with animals. As the animals are innocent in nature, their lives are free of sins and sorrows, but we humans are somewhere lacking these qualities and are always busy to prove ourselves better by ignoring the qualities which are very much required in order to present us in a proper way in the society. So here it comes to an end. Thank you.